Stars have scheduled a scratch match against the Townsville Heat to stay match hardened during a 12-day break between games. NBL Player of the Month Corey Williams won't play a major role, with Trevor Gleeson cautious not to overwork his main man.
Laughing off another individual accolade, Corey Williams remains the key to unlocking Townsville's championship hoodoo.
We've got to play a little bit smarter with and giving good rest when we can.
A 2-week break between matches, the perfect opportunity ahead of an arduous 5 games in 10 days.
Which is, hard any stretch of the imagination, but we really got to relax this week.
Music to the ears of Peter Crawford carrying a shoulder injury.
Yeah, just a little bit of a twig, but he's getting physio on, and I think he's just trying to get out of the golf day on Friday.
Calvin Robinson won't be hitting the fairways either. Tomorrow going under the knife to repair his shattered knee. Surgery can't fix John Riley's broken heart. The former Crocs captain cut by the New Zealand Breakers. His professional career appears over. And a premature end to a Gold Coast fan's Saturday night, ejected for abusive and threatening behaviour.
They travelled all this way to see their team play, and unfortunately it boiled over into a bit of an incident.
Serving it up